Namaskar to everybody. I just want to bring to your knowledge that what exactly is being happening to Congress-led Rajya Sabhas states. You can very well understand the deep thing is into which we all are moving into. We have a dream of making India at number one economically, and in the coming years we would be doing like that only. You can very well understand how China is totally under turmoil, that why India is doing so much good, why America is also doing each and everything. It's bringing India into each and every type of conspiracy, that why through deep state, through other journalists, through social media influencer, America is distributing $10,000, $20,000 to social media influencers of India, so that somehow or the other that the image of the country should be ruined. And but we are not going to let all these countries to do like that. Not to China, not to America. And the way we are rising in the coming 20 to 30 years, we would be surpassing China, and it can be only done if we all are united. Now you can very well understand that in the state like Himachal Pradesh, where Congress has won recently, and how that state has gone down economically. The Himachal Pradesh is in financial catastrophe. It's been into financial emergency. This all has happened because of wrong policies of Congress. How Himachal Pradesh is under the depth of 87,658 lakh rupees. You can understand how much depth this Himachal, they are paying 1,500 to women, 5 lakh women across the country, and it is coming out to be 800 lakh crore rupees per annum. So like this, giving the things to freebies, all these policies which are not adequate just to come up into power, they are distributing the money in the state, not really putting in the thing, so how we can govern Himachal Pradesh, and it's ruining the total financial stability of Himachal Pradesh. And the same very thing is happening to Karnataka. All the rights, free rights to women, free rights for this pani, bijli, etc., and the depth, and 10,000 crore they have given loans to the people. Like this, they are not at all thinking कि भाई how we are dealing with the Rajya Sabha, state government, and think if this Congress will come in the form of national, at the national level, how Congress is going to treat our country. You should be very alert that how Congress is going, because that government is not at all bothered about the country. That government is only bothered that how they should come in power and they should ruin the economy of our country, which the Modi government has done so much of work in it to bring us from 11th number to 5th number, and now Modi government is doing all efforts to bring our country to 3rd number. For this, we also have our duty. We also have our duty to do all what is being required to see. We should open our eyes, open our heart, open our mind, so that we should understand what exactly that government is doing, what exactly Modi government is doing. I am not favoring any BJP or any other party, but we must open everything of our mind so that we can understand which government is really useful for our country. We need to be very particular, and we need to do some efforts in this regard.